Hello everybody and welcome back to the tutorial Raku programming. Today we're going to be dealing with arrays and we're going to be pushing elements onto arrays. So first of all I'm going to create a subroutine called push names. Okay, now we're going to create our array my names. So I'm going to populate the array with some names: Bill, Bob, and Luke. Luke is making his debut in this array. Okay, so there we go. So I want to push another element onto this array, so I want to add another element inside here. So there's a couple of ways we can do this. First of all I'm going to do it the old style. I call it the Perl way because this is what it's like in Perl. So I'm just going to say push and then we do the names here. Let's say capital Tom. Okay, Tom there. Let's do another one. Push, and that's the array names. And let's say Steve. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to print out the array. So say names. Okay, now all we have to do is call the array, so that's going to be push names. Okay, let's just save it there. Let's open up our terminal window here and we're going to type in Raku, then the name of the program, which is new.raku. Okay, then all we're going to do is hit enter. So there you go, we've pushed Tom and Steve into this array. Okay, so I'm just going to clear this and we're going to do it the other way. So let's just knock those out there, and we're going to do it the other way, which is a quite modern way to do it. Well, it is for me anyway. So I'm going to do numbers dot push. Okay, so I'm going to put Tom again and again numbers dot push, and we're going to do Tim. Okay, and now we're going to say, it's not numbers guys, it's names I'm thinking of. There we go. It's names. Okay, so we're going to say the array names. Okay, let's just save it. Let's run the program again. Start off with Raku and the name of the program new.raku. Hit enter and there we go, we've added Tom and Tim to the array. So I hope you enjoyed that, and as I always say, I will catch you again in another video. Bye bye.